Hey you, stop there.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, now it's coming up show time. Who's going to be the winner this time?
Oh my.
Are you ready? Now start. Whoa, who the heck is it? What a great man, he's so amazing. Oh yes.
Help me.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Diego Leo. Bye-bye.
Yeah 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 yeah. 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 Yeah 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 yeah. Yeah 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 yeah. Oh my god, twin squirrels, how dare you, that's it. Bye bye, see you next time.
Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Now we got cheers. It's time for cheers. Hot dog, the problem solved. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. It's a brand new day. What you waiting for? Get up, stretch out, stomp on the floor. Hot
See you soon guys, haha.